Hi guys, so today I'll be saying that crazy family food. So first it's going to make a quick friend and I don't know who's going to win it. Oh no, I'm sorry, but it's raining outside. So now I have to get my raincoat and wear a hat. By the way, this hat is so cute and this raincoat is too. So pretty in it. And I guess if it is and I'm going to keep two umbrellas so I can get shade in two more umbrellas because I know those can really fight for umbrellas. So it's good. Excuse me, miss. Yeah, yeah, mate. I'm here to pick up my friends. Oh, mommy, I'm there. Okay, there's Mia. Mia, she might be playing with the cat. Mia, um, can't you see I'm playing with your friend? You shut up. Mom has come to pick up. Oh, okay. Bye. Bye, Mia. Bye, bye. Hey, Mom. I guess you should come too much late. Why? Because I was playing with your friend. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Luca, what you do right now? What did I do? You throw that coffee cup right there. Just throw that in the dustbin. Okay. Sorry, Mom. Okay, Mom, I'm going to throw it right here. By the way, Mom, please can you take us to the new bakery in the Bangalore city? First, let's take your umbrellas. We will not share them. I'll not share the umbrella to her. I was going to have the umbrella. That's right. Okay, Mom, can you please take us to the new bakery, which is a pan? Guys, it's raining. I can see, guys. Please, Mom, please. Okay. Mom, this is the one restaurant. Oh, sorry. It's not restaurant. Bakery. I'm sorry, I just said whatever. Come on, everyone, don't fight. Okay. Come on, come on. Okay. We want to order something. Ah, jumped. Complete please Yes. Okay, so I want we want some what should I order? Cupcakes and your special one. Yeah. And I want a boba tea. Okay? Okay. Okay, miss, you guys can sit at there and I will make your order. Okay, come on everyone, let's sit over there. Wait. Okay, mama. Okay, next here's your order in which we are having a cupcake and all those drinks. Okay. Oh my god. Why it's looking like we have ordered a lot of drinks. Let's first eat the cupcakes. It's mine. And this is mine. It's so delicious, mom. Yeah, really. Okay, it was mine. This was mine. This was again mine. This was okay. Yeah, I got it. Great. Let's now drink it. Yummy. Oh my god, the best drink ever. Is it really? house total. Your total is, wait to check if you got it, $35. Okay. You don't you think I'm gonna take something for Sissy as well? Yeah, yes. Okay. Can you pack a coffee with this, whatever it is, and a croissant? Okay, okay. Sorry. Okay. Let's go to croissant and this. Actually, I don't know this its name, so that's why I'm saying that. And a coffee. Anything else done? I guess it's okay. Oh, boba tea. Okay, boba tea. Now it's $50, $45. Maybe give us a tip. Yeah, I can give you like $5. Okay, check. Now we can go. Bye. Okay. That's that. Okay. Let's take an umbrella. No, mom, I want that one. Okay. I want that one too. Luca, you have wear that hat. You gave it. You could give me that hat and I'll give you this umbrella. Just shut up. Mom, I want that one. Okay, I don't know what's different. Okay, guys, come on, let's go. Look, mom. Why are you doing like this, Lucas? Sorry. Let's go home.